Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to stop Windows Update asking to update and restart or shut down options here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step that you need to do is here at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with run. And this small window will appear. Here you need to type for services.msc and then click on OK. So the moment you've click on it, a new window will appear on your screen called Services. Okay, so here you need to select any of the service and system and type W, and in that moment you will be redirected to the service and system starting with W. Now here's the catch. You need to look for Windows Update. Just have to go with it. Okay. Once you have selected it, do a right click, go with Properties, and in this new window, you need to go with General tab, go with Startup type, and change it into Disabled. So if in your case it is being set into Automatic Delayed Start or Automatic or Manual, make sure that it is disabled and then click on Apply and then OK. So once you're done with the services, simply close this and then you need to proceed on to the second step, which is we need to bring up our file explorer. So once you have opened it, there you can see your devices and drives. You need to select your local disk. Then you go with your Windows. So here at the Windows, you need to scroll down and then look for software distribution. So I can see it here. Just double tap that and here you need to delete all of this. Okay, just have to click this trash bin icon and then click on continue and wait until it will be deleted here in your computer. So once it will say here this folder is empty, just have to close this window and then you need to press Ctrl Alt and Delete key together. Again, it is Ctrl Alt and Delete key together. The moment you've click on it, there you would be able to see a power icon. Just have to click on it and then you need to go with restart. Okay, so once you have restarted your computer, there you go. You have just successfully get rid of the update and restart options or the shutdown and then update options here in your Windows or computer. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.